What's good, Wealthbuilders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today, we're talking about Earnin app. The good, the bad, the ugly. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Alright, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. This Earnin app review, man. Let's talk about it. Alright, so let's say you're having an issue and need some cash in a pinch, right? Maybe you don't have any gas money to get to work today, but you know tomorrow you'll be good, right? You're going to get paid tomorrow. It's Wednesday, but you get paid on Thursday, so you're Gucci. But you just need a little cash right now. Well, Earnin app is the app for you. Earnin app is an app that doesn't charge any mandatory fees or interest for you to take small cash advances against your paycheck. It also offers early paycheck access and low balance alerts for your bank account. Now, that's the good part. The cons to this app are that they only provide low withdrawal limits. Eligibility is limited to those using direct deposit only. And this direct deposit has to be at a certain type of bank, okay? It can't be with Varo, Chime, or any bank that's not brick and mortar. Sorry. All right. And with the Earnin app, you can take out $100 a day based on your actual income that you make, all right, through your direct deposit. Now, there are no fees with the cash out. They just ask for a tip when you cash out your money. The tip can be up to $14. Right at the time of this video. Now, they will take the money back on autopilot as soon as you get paid. So make sure you remember that when your money gets deposited into your account, that at least $100 is going to Earnin if you pulled any money out through them. Now, please remember that these kind of apps are made for getting out of a financial pinch. Not something you should be using on a consistent basis. And if you want to sign up to Earnin app, the link is in the description. You can download the app and all that good stuff and have that for emergency purposes only. Right? And if you want to learn how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business online, check out the Wealthbuildderz system. All right, the link is in the description. That's Wealthbuildderz with a Z system.com. So, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing off for my Earnin app review. Do remember, Wealthbuilders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.